Okay guys, so the next steps, I can only tell you what I'm going to do. You can follow this or you can do something yourself different. The next step for me is that I will go and create a video, okay? And the video I'm going to create will be based around what I have done here. So I'm going to make a video about how to promote ClickBank affiliate products on YouTube to make money fast without a website, and I'm going to rank for these keywords. Okay, I'm going to get rankings for these keywords. I have chosen them with sort of sniper's precision that I'm going to be targeting these. Okay, and what I can do as well is I can go and find some keywords from the long-tail pro, the ones that have actually got some traffic, etc. We know this one here, how to promote ClickBank affiliate products on YouTube. It gets 260 views per month. Here's the thing though, with YouTube, all of that goes out of the window, all of it. Okay, and if you do a combination of using Chrome extensions as well, all of that goes out the window again, even more. Okay, the combination of those two combined is really significant, as I just showed you with the results that I've got in that last video. Okay, so let me just show you something. I'm not making a blog post. I want to make a blog post. I never want to blog again, ever. And I'll show you why. This blog post here was made from this checklist here. This checklist here was actually made as a skeleton. You can see this. It's got an item, it's got a category, it's got a section here. Okay, and here is the items under the section. Here's some bullet points. This is a skeleton to make this. Okay, a skeleton to make this. This blog post took me 5 days to build. 5 days to build this blog post here. Okay, it still goes on and on and on and on. You can see why it takes 5 days. Now here's the thing. This is not getting any traffic yet. It will get traffic. It will take time. Sometimes you have to wait weeks before you start to get traffic. And when traffic comes, it's good traffic, it's good quality traffic, etc. But I've already spent 5 days on this and I haven't got any traffic. Whereas my Chrome extension here has already generated 1,150 email opt-ins. These are pre-qualified email opt-ins. Now if I go and do you know, for the 5 days spent on this blog post, if I go and spend the same time as I spent on this Chrome extension in combination with the web store optimization, the web store optimization took me about 30 minutes. Okay, I've gone back and forward a few times. I went and added a paragraph for what is YouTube SEO, and we got rankings for 2,900 keywords. What is YouTube SEO? I went back 2 or 3 times and did similar. Added some extra FAQs, added some extra this and that. Okay, I've taken everything from this blog post now and put it in there. Okay, and it started to drive more traffic there, and that's given me 1,150 opt-ins before this even gets any traffic. Before this even gets any traffic. Okay, how? Well, there's a combination of things going on here, because the Chrome Web Store's already got ready-made traffic. It's already got SEO guys checking stuff out. It's already got people looking for the vidIQ and the TubeBuddy, and we are right next to that. Okay, we're already there for the suggested app, so suggested Chrome extension. There's multiple things going on. Okay, plus we added the video as well. Okay, and the video explains exactly what the checklist is. So here's what I'm going to do, and you can make up your own decision what you want to do yourself. I'm just showing you what saves time. You can play the long game and do the blog post. You will eventually get traffic. Okay, and you might get some quick wins traffic, so you can improve those user behavior signals pretty quickly because you found the keywords. But the Chrome extension is just so much faster. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a video around that topic using these keywords, and I will probably go and pick out another couple of keywords that's got some traffic volumes that will target as well. And I will only target, when I run my RankAttack Alpha campaign, YouTube. Now what about you? What if you don't have RankAttack Alpha? Okay, what if you don't have video, you're not good at making video? Here's 2 tips for you. Okay, one, you can come over to Google, do what I did here. I'll put in site : warriorplus.com, and I've got ClickBank video review. Okay, and you will see in here 20 ClickBank and Amazon product review videos. Okay, 5 review video funnels. Okay, ClickBank video reviews done for you. ClickBank affiliate marketing software. I don't know what that is, but you can come down, you can get some ideas. Instant affiliate video. I don't know, you can find some good ones. Top ClickBank product reviews 2020 PLR. Okay, let's just have a look at 1 or 2 of these. You can see some samples here. Super Mario, some webcam thing. I don't know what these are. Paleo hacks cookbooks, fat diminisher, Adonis golden, whatever that is. Already made, so you can do exactly the same thing without having to wait. Okay, you don't have to create your own video. You can use these. How much does that cost? $7. $7, and you got like 20 videos for $7. That's good value. Okay, this one, PLR, product reviews. Let's come down, let's come down, let's come down, come on. Show me the freaking videos. Where's the videos? Oh, these are just reviews, it's not videos. Okay, you can take those reviews. Oh, here we go. Lepitox, Cinderella solution, Ted's woodworking, flat belly fix, etc. Okay, so you got these 15 reviews, and you can see how many words. Take these, put them into video. Someone on Fiverr.com can do it. Lots of video tools these days can do that. You can make this into videos. $5 each, you can get them done for you. Okay, choose one and work with just one. Pick a niche and run with that niche. You can go and dig more and find even more options. Top ClickBank product reviews, $17, cheap. Okay, so you can get all that kind of thing. That's what you can do, and just follow the keyword strategy that I've shown you. Okay, it works. And usually when you get these kind of things like product reviews, it's going to give you the keywords and stuff like that as well, so you can go and find that out. Okay, really quick and easy. And you can do that yourself. Okay, so if you don't have VideoTech Alpha, what do? Okay, you've got multiple options. You can go to websites that will actually do the video views for you. Let me just bring this over. I'll put in here. Pico workers. Okay, there's multiple of these kind of websites where you can get people to do tasks for you. Okay. Just click on log in here so that I can see what the tasks are. Okay, when you log in, you can see people are asking, to get people to sign up for things and go and make me Google accounts and all that kind of stuff. Often you will see that people are paying for doing YouTube views. I'm not seeing any right now. I did a video on this one before, last week or week before, and there was YouTube video views. The guy was paying like 7 cents, and basically what he was saying to them was, go and watch my video, go and find my video in the search engine, click through on the search result, watch my video for 80 to 90%, and leave a like or leave a comment. Okay, and to prove that they had done that, they would have to tell him what the URL was for the video. So he didn't give them the URL. What he did do was give him a screenshot of the ranking, okay, with a screenshot showing the thumbnail, what it looks like, etc. And that's a good way to do it. Very quick and very easy. And basically that's what he was doing. So let's just see if we can maybe search for this somehow. YouTube, Vimeo, comments and stuff here. Okay, we don't want that. Let's just marketing test. Now, there must be a reason they've started to call this marketing test. I'm guessing this is to get YouTube views. Let's have a look at a couple of these. excluded countries. It doesn't want these countries to do it. Go to here, search for the type one of these keywords. Let's just see what he's asking people to do. Okay, that's Jobs Finder. After searching, click on results. The first link only, stay there 1 minute. Okay, he's trying to get rankings for his website for these keywords, basically. That's what he's doing. So that they actually go and click through from somewhere once they're actually on the page, and then they're going to click on result, and they're going to stay there for 1 minute. It looks like people are actually spending time on the site. This is about dwell time. Okay, that's exactly what that is. And people are doing it as well with YouTube views. Okay, that's how you can get it done if you don't have RankAttack Alpha. The problem with this is, and here's how I would use this if I wanted to use it. The problem with them is you're paying for those clicks. Okay, with RankAttack Alpha you can do as many as you want. Okay, you need to have some proxies and good quality proxies. Okay, but once you've got your proxies and good capture service, so I use Squid private proxies, works every time, and I use to capture email captures. It works every time. I don't get any problems with it. I can change these around. I can start to narrow these down. I don't need to wait for someone else to do stuff. What I can do though, once I start to get rankings for the more competitive keywords, okay, then I can go over to places like Pico Workers, and I call this a two-step shuffle. Okay, two-step shuffle, because I've already done the work. I've already laid the groundwork. Now I want to get some real traffic. Okay, I can manipulate the real traffic as well, and I can manipulate it in high volume as well. Okay, grasp this, it's good stuff. If I come in here and I say to them, I will give you 4, 5, 7 cents, whatever it is. Okay, say it's 5 cents. I want 100 people to click to go and find my result for this keyword. Okay, it's a competitive keyword, and I want you to click through the search results, and I want you to watch the video all the way through, and then I want you to either leave a comment, okay, based on what you have watched in the video. Don't leave a comment if you're not going to watch the video, because I don't want a useless comment, or leave me a like, and just one of those, just take an action, some kind of action, okay, or click on save to watch later after you've watched the video. Okay, you've got multiple options there, right? If I've got 100 people do that for one keyword that's a competitive keyword, then I've got 100 IP addresses that are real IP addresses, all taking actions, and they're all logged into YouTube at the same time, because you're telling them to take those actions like or leave a comment or save to watch later. They have to be logged in. Okay, RankAttack Alpha, we're not using logins. So this is the two-step shuffle. This is where we can actually escalate for the more competitive keywords, but you only want to do it for the more competitive keywords. Now 100 clicks at 5 cents is like $5. Okay, if I have 4 or 5 keywords, I could spend, for $25, I could get a lot of traffic, a lot of rankings for that $25. Best $25 you ever spend. Two-step shuffle, good strategy, works like gangbusters, really does work very, very, very well. Okay, so that's basically all I can cover for now, guys. I need to go and make my video now. I need to go and get rankings, and we can see the stuff in action as well. So I'll come back in a few days. So I hope you've enjoyed the content for today. I'm sorry that the first 2 videos were kind of long, but there's good information you got today, stuff you've learned today, hopefully, that you won't get anywhere else. Okay, so make sure, if you're watching this on YouTube, that you subscribe to my channel. I always forget to ask people to subscribe. But there's good information. You will continue to get good information if you do. Okay, thanks for watching.